Hi, I'm Sarah Starr from Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on public television. I'm coming to you from my backyard to share with you a gentle yoga session that you can do anywhere, and the only equipment you need is a chair. So let's begin by focusing on our breath. Go ahead and just bring your hands to your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part to our three-part breath, place the right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale, belly, then ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale, belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place the left hand over your heart. Inhale, belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Inhale all the way up. And exhale all the way out. So we'll continue with this three-part breath as we move through our practice, beginning with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around. And then reverse directions. Lift up, forward, down, and around. Release, transitioning into an easy shoulder stretch. Reach your right arm across the body. Use your left arm to gently guide it in. So continue sitting nice and tall, keeping your shoulders down and back, reaching through your right fingertips. And then release and repeat to the opposite side. So you'll reach the left arm across the body, use your right arm to guide it in, and then just try to keep your shoulders down and back as you reach through your left fingertips. And release, moving into a modified cat-cow stretch. So take your hands to your thighs, and then you want to take a big inhale, lift your heart, and you're tilting your pelvis forward lightly, taking your shoulders, you want to bring them down and back. And then exhale, we round and hunch. So lengthen your tailbone under slightly, pull the navel back, sending the point between your shoulder blades straight back, chin towards your chest. So now we'll start wrapping that around the breath. Inhale, heart lifts. Exhale, round and hunch. And just keep going, moving at your own pace. Inhaling and exhaling. And release. Transitioning into a modified sun salutation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting up and out of your waist. And on your exhale, hands to thighs and folding forward, lengthening forward from your hip creases. On the inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, open your arms wide, feeling your core strong. Exhale, folding forward. With an inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward. Inhale, heart lifts, flat back, arms open wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. One more time. Inhale, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, open your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. So from here we'll go into a lateral neck stretch. So start by just relaxing your left ear towards your left shoulder, sitting nice and tall. And then reach your right arm away. Continue relaxing that left ear towards your left shoulder, and then we'll go ahead and point and flex through the right hand. And you might feel a nice easy stretch from the wrist into the arm, the shoulder, all the way up into your neck. And then release and try the other side. So go ahead and just relax the right ear towards the right shoulder, and then reach the left arm away, keeping the shoulders down and back, and then go ahead and adding the point and flex. And release, coming back to center. So from here, let's go ahead and move our feet and ankles. Bring your right knee in towards your chest, and then we'll just start to circle. Oh, got lots of grass stuck to my feet. Oh, still stuck. Okay, go ahead and circle the right ankle out. Spread through the toes. Continue sitting nice and tall. And then circle in the opposite direction, and just see how big you can make this circle, moving nice and slow and easy. Spread the toes out, feeling a stretch through the top of the foot and the sole and of the foot and the ankle. And then go ahead and clasp your hands beneath your right leg. We're going to extend, lengthening through the heel, and bend at the knee. Again, just try to stay sitting nice and tall, extend, lengthening through the heel, and bend at the knee. So keep going with that, creating a little more mobility in our knees. And then also stretching through the hamstrings. So as you extend, press that heel away and bend. And then pause with your leg extended, point and flex through your right foot. Point and flex. Keep your core engaged, your shoulders relaxed, and of course, keep breathing. And then release, and we'll switch. Try the other side. Bring the left knee in, again sitting tall, and then circle out the left ankle. And switch directions. Feeling the circulation flowing through the top of the foot, the sole of the foot, and the ankle. And then go ahead and clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Find your posture, and then start to extend, lengthening through the heel. You'll feel a stretch all the way hamstring into the calf muscle, and then bend at the knee. Extend, lengthen, and bend. Keep going. And then pause and hold, and we'll point and flex. Point and flex. So even if you want to create more of a challenge, you can loosen your grip on, try to hold the leg out there without using your hands as much. And release. Go ahead and set your left foot to the earth. And this time we're going to add a little hip opener. So bring your right knee in. Place the right ankle over the left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. So you can continue sitting upright here if you're already feeling a gentle stretch in that right outer hip. And if you want to increase this stretch, you can clasp the hands beneath the chair and slowly lengthen the torso forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right. Use your right hand to draw your left hand to draw your right leg in closer and start to rotate your torso to the right. And just bring the right hand right behind you, twisting to the right. Inhale, lift through your sternum, lifting through your heart. And then exhale, maybe twisting a little deeper. Exhale, unwind, and then we'll repeat to the opposite side. Bring the left knee in, place the left ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. You can continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, we'll clasp the hands beneath the chair and lengthen the torso forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, and then we'll add a twist. So go ahead and re-lengthen your spine. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, rotate to the left. Use your right hand to your left leg, drawing your left knee in closer. Gently rotating, twisting to the left with your left hand behind you, or you can even place it to the back of the chair, wherever it's comfortable, keeping your shoulders relaxed, heart lifting. And then you might even feel a stretch through the left outer thigh and hip here too. With each inhale, lengthen from the base of the spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting a little deeper. Exhale, unwind, and return, setting both feet to the earth. Moving into a modified seated one-legged forward bend. So we'll go ahead and extend the right leg, flexing through your right heel, toes pointing upward. Bring your hands to your left thigh for support. With an inhale, re-lengthen, and on your exhale, gently folding forward. Keep rooting down through the right heel and contracting the right quadriceps, squeezing here, feeling a gentle stretch through your right hamstring. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and then with each exhale, maybe folding a little bit deeper. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, and we'll repeat to the other side. Extend through the left leg, flexing your heel, and then go ahead and bring your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright and return back to center. So we'll finish with a gentle twist. So go ahead again, find yourself sitting tall. With an inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right. And then bring your left hand to your right leg and your right hand behind you for support. With an inhale again, re-lengthen. And on your exhale, twisting just a little bit deeper. Just using the breath. With each inhale, again, re-lengthen. Exhale, twist. With your next exhale, we slowly unwind and repeat to the other side. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate left. Right hand, left leg, left hand behind you. Inhale, lift through your sternum, and then exhale, twist. Take one more deep breath in, and exhale, unwind, returning to center. So this is the best part, a little Shavasana. Let's begin by just rubbing our hands together, creating a little heat, energy, prana, life force. And then go ahead and place the cup palms over your eyes. And feel the prana releasing any tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take a few deep breaths here. And then release your hands, moving into our Shavasana, our relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Allow your breath to be easy and natural now. Consciously relaxing your body, staying present with the feelings and sensations emerging as you rest. And you can stay here relaxing as long as you'd like. When you're ready, begin to deepen the breath. Adding some gentle movement. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Reach the arms overhead. Placing your hands in prayer position. Allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.